AI just hit code red. Google is speeding up. OpenAI is panicking right now. And the entire system right now is shifting right up under our feet. And here's the crazy part. Most Americans, they have no idea what's going on. But people like me and you, we cannot afford to be the last ones to know. By the end of this video, you're going to learn exactly what changed this month and what it means for your money, your opportunities, and your future in this digital world we're moving into. Are you paying attention? Let's get into it. DJ, drop the track. Nah, I'm just kidding. What's going on, fam? My name is Pastor Blackwood. If you guys are anything like me, first generation American, navigating these systems that nobody ever explained to us, then you know how it feels to always be playing catch up. Right now, we got to play catch up because things are moving quick. Now, let's talk about what's really going on this month of December 2025. Send this, by the way, to anybody that you think is behind. Hit that subscribe button if you like this kind of information. Let's go. So this is the headlines of this month. OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, just declared something called Code Red. Let me break down exactly what Code Red means in terms that I know you would understand. Code Red basically means, oh shit, we're slipping and we gotta catch up real quick. They're focusing everything on improving ChatGPT, making it faster, smarter, more reliable, as if it isn't fast and smart already. Like, how much faster and more reliable can it get? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, and more personalized for somebody like you. Why? You know what always makes people move? It's when they see the competition coming, because it's Google. Google is catching up to them quick and they see it. OpenAI basically said, oh shit, we're ahead, but we might not be ahead for too long. They're looking back like this. Google's back there. When these companies get scared and they try to get better and they try to up their game for the other against the other company, that just means more tools are coming out for people like me and for you. More tools means more opportunity and more advantage if we use it the right way and if we stay educated and if we follow my channel. This is a perfect moment to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, baby. You gotta hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with this kind of stuff. And speaking of the pressure that they're feeling, let's go a little more into it. Google woke up, and when Google wakes up, things start to shift. Google just dropped big updates to Gemini 3, which is their version of ChatGPT, and they're putting it everywhere, from search to Gmail to Docs to Android to YouTube. Oh, you thought AI was just gonna be on your ChatGPT or on your Gemini? Nah, they're putting AI everywhere. AI, we're not noticing, it's literally turning into like the foundation of our digital life. We got to pay attention to this stuff. And here's why it's good that you stay updated, because a lot of people don't realize that when a moment like this is happening, which is AI being put into everything, the people who understand it, they become the early leaders, the early users. We're ahead of the curve, baby. Got to keep us ahead of the curve. That's exactly why you are not going to be blindsided to this type of stuff. And while Google and OpenAI are out there going at it head to head, guess who else joined the picture? Amazon. Of course, Amazon. Amazon made a little silent move behind the scenes that I'm going to talk to you about. Amazon basically said, yo, bro, this AI shit is not hype no more. AI is basically like electricity. Back in the day when light was discovered, they used to just take the gas torch everywhere it was needed, like this, from room to room. And that's exactly how AI was or is in our world, depending on when you're watching this video. AI was just taken to places where it was needed, kind of like in ChatGPT. That was it. It started there. But now electricity is flowing all through the home, all through the walls. Electricity's powering everything. Get it? Amazon said, man, F that. We're going to roll out new AI chips, new supercomputers, an AI factory for businesses. Truth is, just like I explained, AI is becoming like the plumbing of the entire world, man. Hope you guys are getting this. Every single industry, from healthcare, finance, construction, education, marketing, every single piece of everything is being built with AI right now. And people like me and you, we're doing the right thing right now. We're staying educated. We're not staying behind to this type of information. Now, in this race to everybody trying to outpace each other, outbeat each other, there is a little unbalance being caused right here. and I'm going to talk to you about that. The AI safety scores. Did you know that existed? It does. It's a thing. A major AI safety report came out this month, and the results were not too good.
AI safety scores? Why do they gotta score AI?
Oh, I already knew you would ask that question. The reason they score AI is because for the first time in history, there's this piece of technology being created that can think, it can create, and it can act way faster than us humans could. And right now, it's kind of scary because the technology is way ahead of its safety. We kind of already know this. We all kind of are weirded out by the AI thing. But anyways, let me get back to these grades and how they got scored. Some companies scored D's and F's, and even some of the best companies, they scored a C. That means, like I just said, companies are being built that are so powerful, but the guardrails, they're not being built fast enough. This is why for the next few years, you can expect the debates on regulation, ethics, privacy, identity, ownership, all that stuff. And that brings me to the next part, the legal battles that are currently happening that are showing how real this is all getting. AI is causing some ruckus, y'all. This month, the New York Times sued a company called Perplexity AI. That company was basically plagiarizing, or I wouldn't say plagiarizing. They were just copying all the articles on the New York Times just to train their AI. In YouTube, it has this new deep fake detection tool, also caused a little bit of drama. Why? Because some of the creators out there believe that Google could use our faces, my face, the creator, to train AI without permission. I might have to start talking to you guys like this now. And these cases, by the way, they're not all about lawsuits. They're about who controls information, who controls identity, and of course, it's about the money. It's about who gets paid in this new system. We are in the thick of it. This is the shift that no one really warned us about. Most Americans have no clue this is happening. Most Americans are out there probably, I don't know, getting drunk, watching sports or something.
Hey man, did you see how much LeBron James scored last night?
Not me and you. We're staying informed, baby. We are staying informed. Nah, I'm just kidding. I can't disrespect LeBron James like that. Shout out LeBron James. So to close this off, I just want to talk about what this means for me, what this means for you. Number one, the AI race, it's exploding. And whenever big companies are fighting like this, the smart people like me and you, we sit back, we watch and we learn and we study them. Number two, AI is entering every single damn industry, meaning AI is not optional. So if we learn AI, this is how we stay ahead. If you ignore it, I don't know what to tell you. I just don't know what to tell you. You're just gonna have to stay behind. Sorry. Number three, the rules haven't even caught up. That's what's crazy about all of this. The trend, the technology is going so damn fast, but all the rules and regulators. Hold on. You guys are moving too quick for us to even regulate what you guys got going on. So the world is gonna feel a little bit confusing right now, but confusion is kind of opportunity for people like me and you that are paying attention. Number four, I just want you to take a deep breath for this one. Just take a and tell yourself, I am not late. We're not late to this, especially if you're watching this video, especially if you hit that subscribe button. Right now would be a perfect time to decide to hit that subscribe button.
Can you stop telling them to hit the subscribe button already?
No, I'm not going to stop telling them to hit the subscribe button. I want my people to learn. They're having a good time learning, right? Right? Anyways, like I was saying, you're not late. You're early. So stay here, stay early. This is why I make these videos, to help us stay ahead. If this video helped you understand this digital world we're moving to, even if it was just a little bit better, I'd like to ask you for a favor. Please hit that like button so that I can keep bringing this type of information to you guys. And if you like this style of breakdown, this is my first ever monthly AI breakdown, then also welcome you to hit that subscribe button.
Can you stop telling them to subscribe?
I told you already, I'm not going to stop telling them to hit the subscribe button. Look, they're still here. I know you like this type of information, right? Gosh, man. Tired of that guy. Anyways, so listen, if you want to use AI the right way for clarity, for money, for business ideas, for planning your life, for getting your shit together, I built something just for you. And it's absolutely free. I'm giving it away.
Oh, you said free? Oh, I like that.
Oh, now you like that. Yes, it's free. It's 50 ChatGPT prompts for Einstein level thinking. If you're someone that's used ChatGPT before, you know how helpful ChatGPT is. And I can almost promise you, or place a bet. I could place a bet that you've never used prompts like this before. Go ahead and click the link in the description below so that you can have yours for free. These prompts, they'll help you think sharper, work smarter, and understand way better how to use AI in your life, not the tech world version of it. So like I said, once again, link is in the description. Go ahead and grab yours. Anyways, guys, that's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay sharp, keep learning, stay ahead, hit that subs. All right. I won't say that again. I won't say it again. All right, maybe I'll say it again. Make sure to hit that subscribe. All right, enough joking with you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.